out there, and just got done doing driveway repair. You can watch the video on that. I got about let's see, I got 10 bags. Yeah, 10 bags. 10 bags and 4 between that. So I got 14 bags of gravel I've put down in that low spot of my driveway. And then I just put 5 more bags of asphalt at the end of the driveway after the pavers, highway pavers, paved the highway and lifted it up 6 inches on me. So that's where I'm at with that. Well, what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna go put my birthday present together, which is a shop press, and I've needed one of these for years. Wife bought it for me. I turned 59 in 2 days, so I told her, hey, I want a shop press because I got to press out your bearing on your Ford Explorer. So we went up to Harbor Freight. They had a couple sales going on, so I was able to get that for under $150. And I picked up, as some of you may know, I'm a freaking light freak, and they had this on sale for $35. So we'll see how this works out when I just bought it, but it's 845 aluminums. And I've been using the Christmas tree for I don't know how long, and 60, 60, and 60 watts. So 120, 180 watts, 2400 aluminums, 145 aluminums. So we'll see how that works. I got me another stethoscope, and for you guys that have been following me on Chevy, Project Chevy, I use that to check the fuel injectors, make sure they're firing. I got a set of new chisels because you need a small chisel to separate that area where the ball joints go into the hub assembly. I got a set of SEA and metric tap set, which I've got mix match of. I got a new Pittsburgh dual drive, and the cool thing about this thing is when you pull it back, you can set the length that you want. It's got 4 settings, 1, 2, 3, and it's in its fourth setting. And because I'm getting blinder by the day, I got some color-coded sockets, and also those sockets have got really big numbers on it. So there we go. I'll do a just bottom on those. I've got some old Pittsburgh 1/4 inch that I just got, or I've had, should I say. And then I went to Lowe's the other day, today, and they had a sale on tools again. So I picked up some cobalt, and like I said, I'm getting blinded, so I'm getting ones with large engraved letters on it. And they were also selling a specialty toolkit, and this has got all kinds of screw adapters. Got a couple of neat little things in here, and of course some files and angle tips and all kinds of little things that come in handy. And you can see the different tips they got, and one's the security. Fine to get a security fastener on some of them. So, and that goes with under that'll go into. I just bought it. So, all right. This video here is going to be putting this press together, and I think I'm going to put that right on the wall right here so I can get it at any time. So stay tuned. This thing put together. Let's get these straps broken. Now this is they had two different, no, actually I have like three of them kicking around, and an actual bench one. They had a bench one, meaning it would sit right on the bench. You could do it on the bench. And then they had another one like this one, but it was smaller. It was only a 12 ton, and it was the normal price was $130, and on sale I had it for $99. Well, this one was $189 originally, and brought it down $40. Brought it down $40, so the same price of $130. I said, nah, I'm just gonna go ahead and spend the extra $40 and get the industrial. All right, next size up, and that's what it looks like when it's put together. This is a 20 ton. The other one was a 12. The other one was a 12 ton. And I said, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get the industrial one, because there's always something needs to be pressed. It's just amazing. And every time I have to have something pressed, I got to go see my buddy. And of course, you want to give him some compensation for doing it for you, you know. So, I'm thinking, finally, the first thing I grab is the handle, pump handle, and that's what that is. That's the actual press. This is the frame. 189 pounds. Let's see. I don't know how long it takes me to put it together. Unfortunately, I need this to put it together. There's your slide. That's your sliding part of it.